Shed's always been important, like in my life, even from the age of 12, I believe it was. In the first shed I had, I wasn't doing all the bikes, customising. I was actually into electronics, making small crystal sets, of course, at that age.
Over my shoulder, with an aching deep in my heart.
Because at school, more in line, Erdington. At school then we had a teacher, metalwork teacher, Mr. Aliak, and once a week he'd have a few of us outside who wanted to ride round on this bike. It was a rally moped. I mean, I thought she was the bee's knees at the moment, you know what I mean? And it was that good. I went out and I didn't stop, did I? I took the thing up and out onto the road, didn't I? And of course that ruined it for everyone. But I did get my own after that, and it was a Mobilette, similar type. And I'd say that was the first bike I customised as well. Yeah, so it was mid-80s, like I was saying, and there was a lot of people out of work at that time, and to try and get hold of a bike, I mean, it was a lot, you know, even just 200 or 300 quid. It was a lot to fork out for a bike, so a Jawa was really appealing, and the Jawa I did get was a 350 Allmaster 634 with a sidecar, and like I say, I really did enjoy that. It was fantastic, but as the kids got a bit older, I had to buy a car, and but eventually I did go back to bikes. Let's have a look at this Jawa, the first one, because I've made a few changes on this and I haven't actually put them on YouTube. Now I made this rack and these panniers, and this was purely to go on holiday with the wife for a couple of weeks, which was last year. And but a bit of a story here, going back a couple of years, we went to Towing in Real, and this sissy bar here, actually found it on the beach there, so we decided to incorporate it onto the bike. So anyway, I knocked these up for the holiday, that's one change, and obviously the dual seats. Now the one thing I do want to emphasise is this tank here. Now this is going to come off, this is going to go onto the other bike, I think. Now I've got a 634 tank for this with the crown panels, and I really do want to fit one of those because it'll make it more retro, and to be honest it'll look similar to the original Jawa I used to have in the mid-80s, that Allmaster 634. So that's the thing then, that's the changes with this bike. Dual seat rack panniers, and I'm going to change the tank. So I went about customising it very slowly over about 12 months or so, into something that was a cross between a calf racer and just standard customising. I didn't want an out and out calf racer, just that kind of style with a bit of Britishness into it as well. So I'd done that, I was quite happy with that. In fact, at that time I didn't have any cameras, video camera or nothing. But I asked my brother to come round, David, and asked him if he'd video me riding around, video the bike, which he did. Uploaded it. That was the first video, hence Tenants 2000 on YouTube, and that's what started it all off. And that bloody two-stroke out there, I mean I love two-strokes, but somebody out there is doing my head in. Anyway, back to the YouTube channel, and people loved the Jawa more than I thought they would, you know. I went for the MOT and the guy was asking, well, I ain't seen one of these before. I said, well, I've done this and that myself. And now, yeah, I am surprised at what people say, because going back to the 70s and 80s, Jawa and CZ, they were not held with high regard, and definitely not classed as a bike for the custom scene, and that was for definite. So you can see what kind of a challenge this was for me. I mean, the bikes I'd done before, I'd done Triumph, Suzuki, Honda, Harley Davidson, and now I'm going back to kind of my roots, Jawa, and I'm attempting to customise it, which was a bit weighty, you know, it was a bit of a gamble, but it did work out, and I'm really happy with it. And once I'd done that, I got the bug, of course. So I bought another Jawa, but it was a 639, and I only bought it for spares, really, for the Jawa I've got now. I wanted a spare engine, I mean, who don't? Wheels, etc., tank, and of course I got all that. But it did leave me with a spare chassis, and of course I don't like to waste things. So, hence the birth of the Jawa CZ chassis project. So this CZ is just about finished, and there is a more serious side to it, and I've been asked a few questions. What does this bike represent? What does it mean to me? Yeah, because it represents 5 years of fun, but there is a deep side to it. It represents to me, represents my bipolar, the manic phases, because this bike was built during my hypomanic phases, and not any other time, so it represents a certain part of time of my life over 5 years. And the other big thing it represents is it's dedicated to brother please, and if you look at the registration you'll see why. Right, so the H then represent times, and the 2 means he's the second brother of 3. He was born in the 8th month, August, and of course memory to peace, and that's what it represents to me.